Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with Tabassum. So today we will be learning how to create database in SQL Server. So in today's video we will be creating database using command line as well as using GUI. So let's get started. First connect to SQL Server Management Studio, give your server name, database name you can put default and then connect to SQL Server. Now we have connected to SQL Server. You can go to new query and type the command create database name. We will be giving database name as demo and then you can execute it. Now refresh it, refresh SQL Server, go to database, see demo database has been created. There will be no tables because we have just created only the database. The file location of the database is the default location. Now let's create the database using GUI. I have deleted the demo database. Now we'll create using GUI. Right-click database, new database. And then we can give the name of the database in the database name section. Now let me give the database name as demo. Now you can see multiple options. For example, database owner, logical names, file group, initial size, auto growth settings where you can give the limit or set to unlimited file size. Also the path, here it is the default path. Now you can go to options. There is like recovery model option, compatibility level, other options like auto update stats, auto shrink and so on. We'll keep it as default and click on OK. Now see, the database has been successfully created. So this is the basic way of creating a database using GUI or command. So if you like the video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel.